Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, market is extremely volatile today. If you guys see, we had our entry here. After this 10 o'clock's big candle, I thought, okay, it's really gonna fall. Okay, but what happened? It hit the stop loss and it went up. It's totally fine. We can expect another volatile market here. Tomorrow is an expiry, so we can definitely expect a momentum market is what I'm expecting. It can go up or down, so let's just analyze it in 1 hour time frame and see how we can trade it. Okay, so we'll get rid of this trend line. If you guys see, this is a valid trend line for now. Okay, so this is a very valid trend line for now because 3 exact touches we have. Okay, this doesn't mean that it has taken reversal from here, and if you guys see here, there is a huge resistance also here on top. This is a very good resistance. Okay, all time high was broken, then again it came, so this is a good resistance. Okay, so there is a gap here. Okay, good gap in 15 minutes time frame. This trend line was respected, it came down. There is a very high probability it can definitely get respected again and then come down, then it can squeeze and then it can give a very good move. Till then we have to wait. So for tomorrow I'm not expecting any kind of trades, just because market has to decide its direction. So this is a box. Okay, volatile box is what I'm gonna call it. This is a volatile box where market is stuck. After this if it passes, there is a high probability for it to go up, but it can hit the resistance immediately and then come down. So wait for it to breach this trend line and then trade. So basically about 21,135 I'll be looking forward for a buy, and I'll have a very small stop loss, and I'll have one trade maximum, not more than that, because unless it doesn't give a proper move, trading doesn't make any sense. Okay, so giving stop losses unnecessarily is how you destroy your capital or destroy your trading account very fast, so don't do that. And selling, I'll be only selling post 21,900 and below. Okay, because these are all the lows which are very valid now. This is the valid low. Yeah, so this will be considered as a valid low for me. It's because simply because it has come till here and some manipulation has happened, then gone up. So it can again go up, manipulation, then come down. We have to wait for the distribution. Okay, whichever side it's getting distributed, we go on that side. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, it has come exactly at our cost price and it stopped. And yesterday I told you guys there is a good resistance here which can turn as a support, and that is what actually happened. This red candle did not breach that, so I exited right here. Okay, I exited right here. It is a 1:5 trade, which is really good. I exited and then market started going up, and I was not having any kind of trade after that. Now I'm still looking forward to short this, but I need a very good confluence. If there is no confluence, I'm not shorting. So this is a good trend line in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is a good trend line in 15 minutes time frame because there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 touches. Came down and up. It has to breach this level. So if it breaches above 42,385 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my take profit will be at 46,917, and I'll be selling only post 45,665, nothing before that. Okay, so this is the plan for tomorrow. Next is US oil. US oil is really giving a headache. It hit a stop loss yesterday, and again I'm waiting for it to breach above this level. So I really have to move this to this level now, because it has gone from here and come down. This is just a manipulation. This box, if it crosses, there is a high probability it can go. Okay, so I'm waiting for the candle to close, but my swing will be this. There is 114 point. I know it is a lot, but the trade against also is big. So here my SL will be at this level. Okay, because from here it's gone up, down and gone up. So this will be my SL, that is at $77.90 below. That is $77.78 will be my SL, and my entry will be above $79 and above. Okay, if you want a very safe trade, then trade above $83.50 and above. Okay, selling, we have only below $72.90. Next is gold. Gold has started going in our direction actually after a long time. After I think we entered here, after 2 days it has started going up, which is good. I'm waiting for it. Here there is a good profit booking, but I'm not gonna book it for now. I'm gonna bring it to cost and keep now. My target is at 2146. Okay, only buy on gold. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I hope you guys got some information. This is just my trade on market, like what my ideas for the market, just my view. Okay, this is not a call or a tip. This is just, use this just as a references, which will be good. And please manage your risk properly. If any of your swing trades have hit stop loss, it's totally fine. Market's not going anywhere. We are going to get fresh trades from next week or once this market decides its direction. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.